Okay, here's an audio narration based on the provided information, suitable for TTS. Let's discuss the demand factors that apply to small appliances being added to motel rooms, specifically a 150-watt refrigerator, a 1000-watt microwave oven, and a 600-watt coffee pot. These are being added to 28 rooms. We need to determine the appropriate demand factors according to the National Electrical Code, or NEC. First, refrigerators. NEC Section 220.12. C1 states that the demand factor for refrigerators with one motor and an automatic defrost cycle shall be 80%. Since it's assumed the refrigerators have an automatic defrost cycle and are turned off when the room is vacated, a demand factor of 80% can be applied. Second, microwaves. NEC Section 220.14. I states that the demand factor for household-type microwave ovens shall be 50%. Given these are likely household-type microwaves, a demand factor of 50% can be applied. Third, coffee pots. The NEC doesn't provide a specific demand factor for coffee pots. However, since they are similar to other small appliances like toasters and hot plates, a demand factor of 50% can be applied, following the guidance in NEC Table 220.14. Now, let's calculate the total demand for these three appliances in each room. The calculation is total demand equals the demand factor for the refrigerator multiplied by the refrigerator watts, plus the demand factor for the microwave multiplied by the microwave watts, plus the demand factor for the coffee pot multiplied by the coffee pot watts. Plugging in the values, total demand equals 0.80 multiplied by 150 watts, plus 0.50 multiplied by 1000 watts, plus 0.50 multiplied by 600 watts. This equals 120 watts plus 500 watts plus 300 watts, which results in a total demand of 920 watts per room. To find the total demand for all 28 rooms, we multiply the total demand per room by the number of rooms. Total demand for 28 rooms equals 920 watts multiplied by 28, which equals 25,760 watts, or 25.76 kilowatts. In conclusion, the demand factors that can be applied are refrigerators, 80%, microwaves, 50%, and coffee pots, 50%. The total demand for these appliances per room is 920 watts, and the total demand for 28 rooms is 25.76 kilowatts. This information will help in accurately calculating the electrical load for the motel.